Tired of Microsoft forcing you to sign in during Windows 11 setup? This video will show you how to create a local account instead, giving you back control of your PC. Alright, you've reached the dreaded Microsoft account sign-in screen. Don't worry, we're going to bypass this. The easiest method involves temporarily disconnecting from the internet, so power off your router, unplug your Ethernet cable, or disable your Wi-Fi adapter directly in your computer's BIOS. If you know how, Windows will realize you're offline. Now, click the back button in the upper left corner, then proceed through the setup again. When you reach the sign-in screen this time, you should see an option like I don't have internet or continue with limited setup. Click that. This will allow you to create a local account, enter your desired username and password. You will also need to answer the security questions and click next to continue. Congratulations, you've successfully created a local account in Windows 11. Now you can enjoy your PC without being constantly tied to a Microsoft account. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.